Mount HAWAiiAN back there is also the volcano that formed Kauai. And I want to bring you back here and see if we can fly inside the volcano today, because it's always a good day when you get to fly inside the volcano.
Dang, good morning to me. Good morning to you. Eggs Benedict. That looks, oh, I'm gonna eat all of those bites. Hello everybody. We are going on a huge adventure today. But first, we have to eat croissants and honey and Eggs Benedict. That looks so good. Avia, tell them, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go in helicopter.
Helicopter? All 7 of us at the same time? What if it wrecks?
Then we'll die.
Oh, well, I had a good life. I had a good breakfast. I'm ready to die. Is that good, Brock? Yummy. Happy breakfast. That looks really good. Emmy, you ready to ride a helicopter?
Yeah.
Thanks to Colette, she booked a helicopter.
I can't wait to see the kids' faces.
Look at this guy. From the dust of the earth we come. That's all he is. He's a mud monster.
This is your pre-flight safety briefing. You'll be flying in an EcoStar helicopter. Next, put on your headset. If you sit in the rear seat, the headsets are located on a rack above your head. If you sit in the front seat, the pilot will hand you your headset. Safety briefing card. In the back seat, it is directly in front of you in the seat pocket. In the front seat, it's in the front center console. Do not remove this card from the aircraft for any reason.
Why is the helicopter in the water?
Release your seatbelt.
Raise the hands. Who's nervous?
Sort of.
You're a little nervous? Gavin's nervous. Just trying to act so tough right now. Daxon, you did this 4 years ago already. Do you remember? You don't? Well, good thing I recorded it and put it on YouTube. Cut to that footage of Daxon with giant headphones looking like a cutie patootie. He is not impressed. Now he's looking like an attitude monster. Landed it. That guy knows what he's doing. He landed that helicopter. Good job. What? Here we go. Here we go. Our pilot's name is Shay. My name's Shay too.
Big aloha, welcome aboard.
Aloha.
Aloha.
I had to test it out.
You gotta test it out. That's the most fun part about the helicopter flight is the microphone.
This is awesome.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty for us out there today. You guys picked a good day to fly. There we go, guys. We got permission to go. Just like floating on a magic carpet. Up and away like Superman. Harbor out in front of us. We got the lighthouse out to the left, Kalapaki Beach coming ahead on the right,
You guys, on the left is where we did our zip line. Go That's why we were seeing so many helicopters fly over while we did the zip line. This is why.
Truly my privilege and pleasure to share the Garden Island with you. This is HAWAiiAN, and we're going to come back to a pretty waterfall called Mana Falls. This is the one that gets the nickname Jurassic Falls. It's where they filmed the scenes of the helicopter landing in the very first Jurassic Park movie about 26 years ago.
This is gonna be so cool. I'm so excited.
A lot of the areas we fly to, this waterfall included, that we're about to see, people have lived on Kauai their whole lives and never seen these areas just because they're so hard to reach. We'll be about 17 miles from the nearest road back here.
Do people camp in here? Do the people come in here and try to find a spot to set up a tent?
They do, but it's what I would describe as like adventure hikers. It's kind of like the 17-mile hike where you're like boulder hopping and swimming across the river and hacking your way through the jungle.
That's crazy. That's cool.
So a lot of these areas are just really hard to reach. But that's alright, we'll go hiking by helicopter. To the HAWAiiAN Canyon, the area they call the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Now this is all part of our state park system out here. The main canyon we'll fly through. It's over 10 miles long, over 3,000 feet deep, about 1.5 miles wide. Welcome to the Grand Canyon of the Pacific.
To myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
There's HAWAiiAN Falls on the right, 800 feet tall. Sometimes people hike to this one because there's a trail comes along the rim in front of us. If you look carefully on the flat section, there's little white dots there and a little orange dot. Those are adult hikers in white and orange t-shirts. A little orange dot up there. We came by here a couple weeks ago and there were 2 guys in those inflatable T-Rex costumes that you see in all the little internet memes. And they were just up here dancing on the waterfall. It was awesome.
I feel both.
What'd you say, Daxton?
I saw a big waterfall.
Oh, cool. I did too. Isn't it awesome?
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you.
Is that a lake or a pond? What is that right there on the right?
Yeah, it's a little reservoir there. They breed rainbow trout in there, and a couple weekends out of the year you can fish out of it. If you look closely by the waterfall, you'll see some guys over there fishing.
Rainbow trout. We got those in Idaho.
Missing someone. With all you want. Missing someone.
We got the whitecaps building up a little bit today. The winds are picking up, but the water is still clear enough. You can actually see the sections of coral reef down there on the bottom. Makes a little camouflage pattern down below.
And you deserve. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you did right from the start. And you did right from the start. Missing someone.
This little cave here on the right is HAWAiiAN Cave. There's actually a women's group that do yoga on top of stand-up paddleboards in the sea cave down there. So every now and then we come by and we'll see the ladies down there doing yoga. That's open to any of you girls that want to go out and do it. I'd probably fall right off if I tried it.
That would be pretty amazing under a waterfall.
Mount HAWAiiAN back there is also the volcano that formed Kauai. And I want to bring you back here and see if we can fly inside the volcano today, because it's always a good day when you get to fly inside the volcano. There we go. We got permission into the airspace. We'll start making our way home. We'll descend over this cattle ranch in front of us. We got Sleeping Giant Mountain out to the left, good for day hikes. City of HAWAiiAN ahead to the right. As we make our way in, I'd certainly like to say mahalo. Thank you kindly for coming out and bringing the whole family to fly with me on such a pretty day.
Nailed it! That was awesome! Woo! All right, end of a day. We're on a helicopter ride.
We're eating pizza again.
We're not eating pizza again. That's good to know. And then also, we're not eating pizza. But we are drinking water with ice in it. So that's good to know. But definitely not eating pizza or whatever's in here. I don't know, I'm not sure. Anyways, end of the day. Brock, did you have a good time seeing Hawaii from a helicopter?
It's beautiful.
Isn't it? Emmy, did you? What was your
Yes.
favorite part? Is it a possibility to have a favorite part of the helicopter ride?
I like the part when we were coming around the edge of the cliff and then like all of a sudden you can see the whole ocean and the music was playing. I had music in the headphones. You can see all the mountains. I like the part when we went on the helicopter.
The kids said later on that they wish that Dad and the pilot would stop talking so that they could listen to the music. Well, listen, when two Shays get together, they gotta talk. I'm sorry, me and Shay wanted to chat. No, all right, my bad. We're patting ourselves on the back. Tell them why we're patting ourselves on the back.
Because we did a cool, awesome end slate, but it didn't record. It stopped recording.
Somebody called at like 10 seconds, and I thought it would just keep recording. Anyways, me and Colette were like, that was a good end slate. Let's pat ourselves on the back. And then
do it again.
And then you came in. And now we're doing the end slate again. Okie dokie. Thanks for watching another video. Can you believe it? We did it again.
We did it, and we're gonna do it again, maybe.
Dude, that helicopter was awesome. I feel bad for talking so much in the helicopter. When you meet another Shay, you gotta Shay it up, you know? Anyways, Bethany Moda and Dominic Dietrich are here. Dietrich has a really cool web series. It's called The Ultimate Dance Challenge, where he goes around and he teaches YouTubers how to dance. So we're going to be in that, and we're going to make a music video. I don't know how to dance. Ugh.
Yes, you do. Are you kidding me?
Dude, Emmy is so excited. When I was telling them what we're going to do today, Emmy started running around the kitchen, and she ran past me and slapped me in the butt. Which is not something Emmy normally does.
Yeah, she normally doesn't do that kind of stuff, but she's so pumped about it that it just had to come out.
Okay, I gotta stretch my toesies, my ones and twosies, my Achilles and really billies. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a dancer. I believe I can. No, okay, we'll see. Love you guys. Hey, give us a nice comment, okay? We'd appreciate it. Love you very much. See you soon. But tomorrow, actually.